Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're making one of my favorite hot sauces, fermented pineapple habanero hot sauce. I need to start off by warning you, this hot sauce is really hot. So if you're looking for something with a medium heat, check out our chili garlic hot sauce. And if you're looking for something a little bit milder, check out our fermented jalapeno hot sauce. Both are totally delicious, but don't pack nearly as much heat as this one. If you're here because you can't get enough heat and really love super hot sauces, super hot sauces, then this recipe is definitely for you. The pineapple and habanero are fruity, tropical, delicious, and searingly hot. And fermenting the peppers adds that complexity that makes really good hot sauces really good. It's one of my all-time favorite go-to, have in the fridge, probably put it on something every single day, hot sauces, and I think that you'll love it too. If you love hot sauces and all things fermentation, please subscribe to this channel, and you can find a link to the full recipe in the description. Now let's get started on this fermented pineapple habanero hot sauce. For this recipe, you'll need 15 to 20 habanero peppers, half a pineapple, 1 bell pepper, diced, half an onion, and 2.5 tablespoons of salt. To prep your pineapple, remove the top, and then the sides. Cut off the bottom too. Then cut around the core. For this recipe, you'll be using half of the pineapple. You can use the pineapple scraps to make tapache. To prep your onion, cut off the ends. Remove the skin. And dice. For this recipe, you must wear gloves. Habaneros are super spicy. To prep the habaneros, we're gonna cut them in half. And then remove the seeds. We won't be using the seeds in this recipe. Get them all out. I like to pull out some of the ribbing in there too, just because habaneros are so hot. Repeat for all peppers, discarding the tops and the seed. Keep going. Roughly chop or tear your peppers into pieces. Next up, make a brine with 1 quart of water and 2.5 tablespoons of salt. We use a little bit more salt in this recipe to slow fermentation because the pineapple is so sweet. Whisk that all up, and your brine is ready. Now time to add everything to your fermenter. Add in your pineapple, onion, bell pepper, and of course your habaneros. Then layer them all in there again. Fill it up and add your fermentation weight. Pour in your brine to cover. Then top with your lid and airlock. You'll want to ferment this for 2 to 3 weeks. Then it's time to blend. You want to scoop out all the pineapples, peppers, and onion and leave the brine behind. You won't be using all of it in this recipe. And definitely still remember to wear gloves. These peppers are still hot after fermentation. There you go. Measure out 1 cup of brine and add it to your blender. And 1.5 cups of white vinegar. Then blend until smooth. Because habaneros are so hot, we don't add all the liquid from fermentation when we blend, but you can save that liquid to use in marinades. Now it's time to fill some jars or bottles. We love using old hot sauce bottles, especially ones with dousers, so that you're not dumping a whole lot of really hot sauce on what you're going to eat. And now we fill these bottles on repeat. This hot sauce is such a gorgeous orange color, and the flavor is tropical and fruity, even though it's super hot. So it has a lot of nuance and complexity and is so delicious. We put it on everything. And if we're up for sharing, they make for really fun gifts. Once you've transferred your hot sauce to bottles or jars, they can be stored in the fridge. And with a hot sauce this hot, a little goes a long way, so it's something that we can actually put into little containers and share with our friends. For even more hot sauce recipes and our great fermented hot sauce kit, check out FarmSteady.com, and please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you want to see next. Bye. Don't do that.